Dear students, this is module number 68 for the subject of SHRM. In this subject, we will continue our discussion upon the contingency approaches to SHRM. We discussed in the last module that those factors that can influence or that can suggest what is the best way to manage strategic human resource management or the employees of an organization depends on something. The factors we discussed in the last module were the life cycle stages. Here is another model, and we will discuss and we will see that what Beer et al. Model suggests. According to the Beer et al. 1984, stress the importance of a stakeholder interest and situational factors. They believe that it is the situation and stakeholder interest that will suggest or that will determine what is the best way to manage the human resource in an organization. And that will help HRM to make decisions about the human resource management. So they identified overarching three types of models or three types of human resource models. The first one was bureaucratic model, second is market model, and third is clan model. We will see that when the bureaucratic model is suitable to an organization, it means that we are saying that there is no best practice, but it depends. So, what is bureaucratic model? Let's start with this. So, with the focus on control and efficiency, using traditional hierarchical models most relevant in stable markets with stable employment conditions. So, according to this model, the bureaucratic model should be applied to organizations, those who are operating under these conditions. For example, when the market is stable and employment conditions are stable, and there is no volatility in the market, there is no uncertainty in the organization, so you can have a bureaucratic model. Remember, guys, in the bureaucratic model, we have a certain form of hierarchy, and people are responsible for certain actions. Power is diffused in the hands of few people, or particularly those who are at the top of the hierarchy. If the organization is stable, employment conditions are stable, the best practice to manage people is the bureaucratic model, according to Beer et al. The second is market model, where employees are viewed as subcontractors, market based, or market economy. This is a common term, so we understand what we mean by it. With a focus on short term relationships and performance management, most relevant in rapidly changing environments. When your business environment is rapidly changing, you can go about or you can think about the market model. In the market model, you may be hiring employees or you may be managing employees based on short term contracts, maybe for 3 months, 6 months, or a year. It depends. So, the market model is suitable when the market is not stable. So, you cannot have a long term contracts with employees. You cannot offer the job security. Remember, guys, these were the best practices. On the other hand, the contingency perspective suggests that it depends. So it depends on the market or it depends on the stability of the business or stability of that organization, what type of HR practices they should apply or they should adopt. And the third model, according to the Beer et al., is clan model. What is a clan model? Is actually when something is very closed, knitted, very closed ties in between the different functions and different systems. So it suggests that associated with more diffuse ties based on shared values, team working, commitment, and innovation. So one of the model for managing human resource is based on the clan culture or the clan model is of frequently termed as clan culture. When people are having a shared values and they believe on something that if this works, then this works. If this thing works, then this thing will work. For example, you say that my performance is based on my culture. My performance is based on my efforts. If I do efforts, I get the rewards. But my rewards, they are based on the assessment of my immediate supervisor. And my immediate supervisor assessment of my rewards is based on the organizational strategy or the organizational stability or the performance of the organization. So you see that everything is diffused and very closed, and it is tied together something or to some extent greater than what happens in usually in some organizations. So according to the Beer et al., different organizations can adopt different models based on their situation. Thank you.